track, boy.
So right now we're gonna go fishing, bass fishing, get some little bait. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see how many fishes we catch. So over there, oh, you can see them. Well, over there they're fishing, and let's see if we can catch them. So yep, let's stay tuned. The first catch. Stop it! Stop it!
Todo esto se sacó. Cuidado arriba.
Vámonos.
Cuidado.
Oh Lord.
Okay, bro. You heard that?
Ok, eso me está asustando.
If it doesn't pop, because there's a tornado. It's called tornadoes.
Okay, that's scaring me, you know.
I'm doing what you told me. Alright guys, so second try. We're gonna get the bait. So we're fishing right now on like a tornado because the sirens were popping. Yeah, so let's see how much change bait and we'll see too. When we get back to y'all, I'm gonna change the bait first and we'll see. Alright guys, so meanwhile I'm putting this bait. I ain't the best fisherman, but yeah, that's the point, to be the one. Yep. And right now the sirens were sounding on Houston, and last time I checked it was because of like a tornado or something, but it's super windy right now, and yeah, we gotta catch them because it's really starting to rain. Like I can feel the rain. Yeah, I can barely feel the rain, and the train's over there. Yeah, so hopefully we catch them, and yeah, y'all stay tuned. Almost done. So let's put everything up and get everything ready because it's starting to rain, and we need to catch some fishes. Come on! There you go. Oh my gosh. There you go. Alright guys, come on, let's go. Caesar catch one. It's raining too much under this. But yeah, Caesar catch one. Come on, Caesar. He's right there. He's right there. You have it? Oh yeah, he's right there. Come on. There you go. Let me see, Caesar. Let's go, cause it's raining too much, guys. Y'all see this? Hey, no pain, no gain. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Too cold, too cold. So we're gonna go to another place and go fishing. Y'all hear it? So we're gonna go to another place and go fishing. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and hope you like this video. So I'm getting wet, so let's go. Oh crap, oh crap. Alright guys, so we have Bucky's and the fan is good, but the rain is coming from that side. So this one, and we're gonna get Dr. Pepper because you already know. Oh damn, it doesn't fit. Push fries. Woo! Not too much ice. And then the good one. Right there. Oh yeah, it's so good. So we got extra large. Now we're waiting for the whole family to come back, and yeah, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna go to another spot to go fishing, so yeah, y'all stay tuned and hope to see y'all soon. Hopefully we'll catch another one, because my brother catch one, I gotta catch one. Yeah. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'll see you later. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a lake over there. Yep. So we're gonna go there and see if we can catch fishes. We're gonna hurry up before the rain comes over here. So y'all stay tuned Like the video, subscribe, and hope you're liking it. And yeah, let's see how we can catch a fish. We're gonna catch them. So yeah, let's do it. So we here. So first catch. Let's do this. Big one.
Bruh.
Alright guys, so we just changed baits or crankbait. So let's see if we can catch something. We've only got like 10 minutes. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and let's get it. I swear I didn't even felt it. I didn't even felt the fish, guys. Let's come on, guys. To be honest, I threw a bad shot. I was trying to throw it over there in the corner and I threw a bad shot, but I caught this fish. Beautiful fish.
Alright guys, so we're catching another little bass. We're about to do some catch and release. Beautiful bass. Nice perchy, a little perch. Real pretty one. Beautiful catch and release.
Listen, YouTube, so that's over for the video. It was a good day. We're catching fishing. Yeah. So yeah. Like, subscribe, and yep, that's it. Hope you like this video and subscribe. Peace.